Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card design, I am featuring a stamp set called Back on Your Feet. I recently was involved with a card swap with my team, and this young lady named Aggie Montgomery came up with the card design that I'm going to share with you today, except she used the stamp set Over the Moon. And her image was the little moo cow holding a flower. So cute, but I didn't have that stamp set. So I'm going to share with you the Back on Your Feet version of her card. So this is an easel card. So I have some pieces of Whisper White here, and just big enough to size the image. So that was a giraffe I stamped. This is a turtle. And the next one is going to be a sloth. I know, but the images are so super cute. And I had a lot of fun coloring them, and that's what I'm going to do here. So if you're not interested in watching the coloring, skip to about the 5-minute mark, okay? And I'll catch you back when the coloring is done. Okay, I'm back, and hope you didn't mind that little musical interlude of coloring. I always like to leave the coloring in just in case somebody wants to see how to use the blends markers, and as you can see, they're very simple to use. So if you were curious about the blends markers and the colors that I use, the information is in this description box below, and with links to the online store. So you can see that I've put the giraffe on So Saffron. I've put the turtle on Granny Apple Green cardstock, and the sloth is going on the gray granite cardstock. So I'm using the stitched nested frames, I think they're called. And so I had a whole bunch of them just sort of pre-cut and lying around my desk. So I used them for the sentiments, and I chose different sentiments that were corresponding with the animals. And then here is 3 pieces of crumb cake cardstock. It is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 2 3/4 and again at 5 1/2. So I'm only putting glue on the bottom half of my images, and you can see here, this is the reason why I fold them, and you don't want your focal piece to adhere to, the bottom part. Or the top part. Anyway, it all makes sense in a second. I've got dimensional adhesive here, and I am putting down and adhering the sentiments on the inside of the card. So this is what makes it the easel card. So cute, right? I have lots of stills at the end of the video. I did put a whole bunch of different corresponding ribbons on these guys. And that is my share for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.